Hello Instagram, hello Facebook Live, hello everybody. Happy Monday to you all. It is Monday. We are, wow, I can't believe it is almost the middle of October already. It's kind of hard to believe. Next weekend is Columbus Day weekend. I hope everybody who went back to school today, I know Ellenville went to hybrid today. So hope everybody had an awesome first day back at school. Hope you teachers out there are doing well. Hope you're all healthy. And hello to everybody who's joining me. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. Let's see, Monday, October 5th. It was a busy weekend here at Aroma Thyme. Our Oktoberfest specials are doing awesome. We have bratwurst, we have a smoked pork porterhouse, we have a Bavarian pretzel, so we have a lot of cool things on our menu right now. Let's see, we did a lot of wine sales this weekend, so that was pretty cool. A lot of bottles of wine to go when people are picking up to-go food. I'm seeing an increase now in to-go orders, so place your order early. Place your order early so that we can pack them. Wild salmon is going off the shelves like crazy, actually out of the freezer. But we are selling a lot of frozen wild salmon, a ton. So stock your freezers up now before the winter comes. Unfortunately, the price did go up. It's the same product, but the price went up. There is a high demand for wild salmon right now. People are stocking their freezers, which means the price needed to go up. So, not our choice. Of course, it is now $18.99 a pound. And if you get 10 pounds or more, it is $17.99 a pound. So you're still saving $85 buying from us and going on to Alaska Gold's website or online to buy your wild salmon. So you stock up your freezer. We have lots of different fish. We have halibut, we have mai, we have sable fish, we have salmon, we have shrimp, we have calamari. So we got a lot of stuff. So thank you everybody for watching. I definitely appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate all the support we've gotten. Hope you had an awesome weekend. And I am getting ready for a wine event tonight. So Michael Davidson is actually on right now. He is on his way here. And we are doing an event with Michael from Black Infusions Vodka. They make an awesome fig vodka and an apricot vodka. And we'll be making 3 cocktails tonight with that, paired with a dish. It is $25 a person. It is outside in the garden. I think we might have 2 spots available still. I think we just had a cancellation, so I think we have 2 people that canceled, so we can fulfill 2 more people. So if you're interested in coming, please let me know and give a call, 647-3000. So let's see. Today I am going to be making a Manhattan, my Jamie's Manhattan. Everybody loves the Manhattans that I make here at Aroma Thyme. Everybody's like, what's your secret ingredient? I know I've made these before. It was probably back at the beginning of my Facebook Lives because it's one of my favorite drinks. Hold on 1 second. I cannot see anywhere around. Under attack. Hold it. All right, sorry, I had to give Marcus instructions. We have some people coming in to dine with us, and we have the event in the garden, so I wanted to make sure he knew where to seat people. So let's see. All right, let's get started on my Manhattan. So I am going to fill my shaker up with ice. And I am going to use Mr. Peabody's bourbon. They also make an awesome rye. You can buy this here, $25. It's awesome. You are going to add 2 ounces. 2 ounces of bourbon or rye, whichever you choose. We are going to add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And my secret ingredient is this Luxardo Marciano cherry liqueur. I love it. It's awesome. We also sell this to go. So you can basically buy all of the ingredients here at Aroma Thyme for this drink at home. So I just add a splash. Oops, sorry, you can see that. Just a splash of Luxardo Marciano cherry liqueur. I'm going to shake it up. And I'm going to add ice into my rocks. I like my Manhattans on rocks. it straight up, you can have it neat, or actually straight up, which means no ice, or on the rocks. So hello, I got a lot of people following me today. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If there's a drink that you want to see me make, please send me an email or private message me. So thank you, everybody. Or comment, just leave a comment for me. So I also, these are awesome, these filthy cherries. They'll be back in stock tomorrow. We actually sold a lot of them. Sorry, the phone was ringing. These are beautiful black cherries. So I just put that right into my drink. And there you have it, my Jamie's Manhattan. Everybody loves it, loves them. So let's see. And I gotta tell you, I really needed this today. I've had a pretty stressful day. I just got off the mountain. I went for a hike, a 3-mile hike around Sam's Point. I just did the loop. That was really awesome just to get out, clear my head, get some fresh air, and get ready for the event tonight. So let's see, that is it for today. I hope everybody is having an awesome Monday. I don't know about you. Somebody said something about Mars and Venus being in retrograde. I don't know much about that stuff, but it could probably explain why I feel a little overwhelmed today. I know somebody who works for us also said the same thing. He just felt very rushed and speedy and on edge today. So hope you don't feel like that. Hope you're having an awesome day. Keep your spirits up, and hope the teachers that went back today with the students had an awesome day, and the kids had a good day, and the parents had a good day. And I guess that is it for tonight. Getting ready for our cocktail event. 2 weeks from tonight, we will also have another wine event, $25 a person in the garden, 4 wines, 1 dish, $25. Stay tuned for details for that. Tonight is buy one, get one free wings. So hot or barbecue, there's smoked wings, 647-3000, call and order those. And that is it for today. Cheers to you. We'll see you tomorrow. It's Tuesday. Marcus and I should be doing a wine time live at some point tomorrow and Wednesday. We haven't quite decided what we're doing. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays here at Aroma Time. And that is it. Cheers. Have a great day.